Hey guys, in this video I am talking about what is Go programming language. Go is a statically typed compiled programming language designed at Google by Robert Gre- Griesmer, Rob Pike, and Ken Thompson, and it is syntactically similar to C, but the memory safety, garbage collection, and the structure typing and CSP style concurrency. It is often referred to as Golang because of its former domain name golang.org, but its proper name is Go, and there are major implementation. Google self-hosting GC compiler tool chain targeting multiple operating system and WebAssembly go for tent protect to other compilers with the libgo library with the GCC. The combination is Gisgo, and the LLVM. The combination is Golem. A third party source to source compiler Gopher JS compiles Go to JavaScript and front end web development. History of Go programming language. Go was designed at Google in 2007 to improve programming productivity in an era of multi-core networked machine and large code base. The designer wanted to address criticism of other large in use of at Google, but keep their useful characteristics. Static type runtime efficiency like C, readability and usability like Python or JavaScript, high performance networking, multiprocessing. It was designers were primarily motivated by the shared dislike of C++. Go was publicly announced in the November 2009, and version 1.0 was released in 2000 March 2012. Go is widely used in production at Google and in many other organization and other source project. In November 2016, and Go Mono font was released by type designer Charles Bigelow and Chris Holmes, and specially for use by the Go project. Go is a humanist sans serif resembling Lucida Grandi, and the Go Mono is a monospaced. Both font adhere to the WGL for the character set and set were designed to be legible and with a large X height and distinct letter form. Both Go and Go Mono adhere to the DIN 1450 and standard by having a slashed zero lowercase one with a tile and an uppercase I with serifs. In April 2014, the original logo was replaced by a stylized Go slanting right with the trailing streamlines. The Gopher mascots remained the same. Generic. The lack of support of generic programming is in the initial version of Go drew considerable criticism. The designer expects an openness or to generic programming and noted that built in function where in fact type generic but was created was specially cases Pike called with this is a weakness that might add some point be changed. The Google team built at least one compiler for a experimental Go direct dialect with generic but did not release it. In August 2018, the Go principal contributor published a draft designer for the generic programming of error handling and asked users to submit feedback. However, the error handling proposal was eventually abandoned. In June 2020, was a new draft design document was published that would add the necessary syntax to Go and for declaring generic function and type a code translation tool, and was providing to allow user to try the new generic was finally added to Go version 1.18. Versioning. Versioning Go 1 guarantees compatibility for the language specification and major part of the standard library. All version up to current Go 1.19 release and maintained this promise. Each major Go release is supported until there are two never major release. Design. Go is influenced by C, especially the Plan 9 dialect, but with an emphasis on greater simplicity and safety. It consists of a syntax and environment adopting pattern more common in dynamic language, optional, concise variable declaration, and in initialization, and through type inference, and fast completion, remote package management, and online package documentation. Distinctive approach to particle program, built-in concurrency primitive, uh, and interface system in the place of virtual inheritance, and type embedding instead of non-virtual inheritance. A toolchain that by default produce a statically linked native binaries, binaries without external dependence. I desire to keep the language specification simple enough to hold in a programmer head in a part of omitting features that are common in similar language. Syntax: Go syntax include changes from C aimed to keeping code concise and readable. A combined declaration initialization operator was introduced that allow the programmer to write hello world without specifying the type of variable used. The contrast with C and const character occur. Method may return multiple values and returning a result error. Error pair is the conventional way to a method of indicate an error to it called in Go. Go adds literal syntaxes for initializing structure parameter by name, and for initializing mem and slice. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Bye guys.